Hi, my name is Marilyn Penelope. My official title would be owner. Well, my dad was an RV wholesaler, so I've been around RVs my whole life. And Bruno started working with my dad right away. He wanted him to because Bruno's a great salesperson. And so he started working with RVs, and then we moved up here and he was managing some RV stores. I can't say that this was our dream. We weren't like, let's open an RV repair shop. But at the same time, it's something that we know a lot about. It's something that we've been around forever. For Bruno now it's 15 years. For me, it's my whole life. And so it seemed like, instead of throwing them away and trading them in, let's get people to fix them and get them to enjoy them and not have so much garbage, and instead feel good about selling your RV to another family because you know that structurally it's going to be sound, and it's kind of like your own home. If your roof was leaking, that would be devastating. You feel like you're being invaded. It's truly an intrusion upon like your safe space. And I think with an RV, it's the same thing. It's your house on wheels, your whole family's in it, or even it's not your whole family, it's you. And when you have a leak and you think about mold and you think about moisture, it's not a good feeling. And so the fact that we can prevent that forever for the rest of their RV's lifespan, it's just something that we wanted to do because it's such a cool opportunity for us to fix them. Most people just aren't even able to fix it, or they don't want to fix it. And with the products that we use, it was hard to say no when you see this amazing product and you see what it can do. And even though not everyone uses that product, a lot of people use a typical rubber roof, we can still stand by our work knowing that we know what we're doing and knowing that we have the knowledge and the experience to get the job done.